Jerky jerk. Let's see what we got.
When you come early.
Oh, you see, I had to come right on time.
Yeah.
See, I tried to get in here early so we can ride everything today.
Yes. All right.
That's the idea.
Have you ridden the route? Do you know it?
I rode it yesterday, yeah.
Okay. What did you ride yesterday?
I rode the Pan America, though.
Oh yeah. Was that great?
It's really nice.
Yeah. All right. So have you ever ridden anything with this new Skyline series?
I have, yeah.
Okay. Since you've ridden it, then I'm gonna let you set yourself up, and then if you have any questions, let me know.
Okay, great.
Go ahead and hop on.
DJI, yes!
Let's go.
We were just talking about the action cam.
This is the one.
Nice version, yes.
Okay.
This is the one. Yes, sir. So here we are. 2025 CVO. Let's see what we got here. Got to see that infotainment screen. I need to see the CVO on the dash. Yes.
Yeah.
Let's fire this sucker up.
Let's show them how to do the different ride modes. We've got rain mode.
So,
bottom left-hand corner right there.
Is it which one? Oh, the mode. Here we go. So we got the modes. We got different modes.
Or did it have sport on there too?
It does have sport mode.
Or you can toggle up on the turn signal, which makes it more user-friendly.
Oh, okay. Got you.
For me, with short, fat hands, I tend to throttle a little bit if I reach over there.
Got you. Okay.
So I like to start people in the parking lot in rain mode.
Got you. Okay.
But you can change it on the fly.
Sounds good.
Now this has got the upgraded Rockford 5-gate speakers. You want the music on at all?
No, it's okay.
No? If you did, you know your menu button is right there.
Right.
And then you can select music and your volume is right there.
Sounds good.
Any questions on this bike?
None at all.
All right, go have fun.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. I'm going to just do a quick walk around and then I'm going to head out.
Okay.
I just want to get it on camera so they can see.
No, I'm glad you are, yeah.
All right, guys. So this is it. The 2025 CVO Harley-Davidson Road Glide. Now, this thing is freaking nice. Now, this is the black setup. I believe they have a chrome setup as well. Oh, actually, this is chrome. The forks just look black, but this thing is freaking nice as heck. Look at the pinstriping and everything. Got the manufacturer plate on there, man. We are
Blue Streak.
the Blue Streak.
Blue Streak.
Nice.
And then that one's called Raven Fade.
Raven Fade. We're going to have to see what's going on. All righty.
All right, have fun.
Appreciate it. Oh. Let it off too quick. It's a little too new for me.
And it dampens it a little bit in rain mode. So.
Oh, okay. That's why.
Like
yeah, let's go.
road mode to start.
Yeah, I just need it regular.
Yeah, there you go.
There we go.
All right.
Thanks a lot. Oh yeah, that clutch is really really ready to go. It's really ready to go. All right, guys, so here we are on this 2025 Road Glide CVO. Now this clutch is literally like on point. So I haven't rode this 2025 yet. I haven't rode any 2025 CVOs yet, but this one should be pretty fun to say the least, man. We're gonna keep this show going and keep it locked in. So you can't put any mounts on here, so you guys are just gonna have to take my POV and do with it what you need. Yes, sir. We got the Big Daddy right here, man. It is time to go up. Time to go up. Come on, come. They don't want to go? They don't want to go? Do you want to go? Because I want to go. Do y'all want to go? Because I want to ride. Meanwhile, the blue interfering on this bad boy is insane. I need to learn this clutch. I swear to you, this thing is jumpy. Let's see what we got here, guys. Alrighty. Let's put it in sport mode. How about that? Sport. Yes, sir. We got that thing in sport mode. The brakes is nice. It's feeling good, and I think this one has the heated grips on there as well. So even though it is a slight chill out here today, it should be good, man. Y'all see it's got the nice suspension on this Big Daddy now. Of course, typical Road Glide, man. You guys know we done rode plenty of Road Glides before, but this one is just a CVO, and I love the color on it. So y'all gonna have to hang out with me today and ride in style, man. Ride in style. This thing is freaking sick. He's riding too. He's got his camera on there, man. We all getting it in. I'm not gonna hold you. What you wanna do, man? Oh my God, this thing is jerky jerk. Jerky jerk. Jerky jerk. Let's see what we got. I ain't gonna lie, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. I couldn't imagine this thing like super built. Like it's already fast just like it is. Let's see if I can get a oh yeah, she feeling good. Yeah, this thing gets up, guys. Not gonna hold you. And the brakes and everything on here is just insane. It feels like you can control more. You can lean in the turns a little bit. You would think that a bike this big, you can't control it as much, but you really can. Really nice smooth bike here, guys. Really nice smooth bike. And we are floating aside the Daytona Beach Bike Week. We here at the Speedway right now. It looked like 1 million people in the stands, man. But we slide though. I ain't gonna hold you. This thing is a beast. Now, granted, I don't know what it feels like towards the CVO ST, but y'all stay tuned. We will check out a ST today as well. I think I'm gonna check that out next. I'm gonna check out the CVO ST next and see what we can get done. You know? Meanwhile, this thing is freaking nice and comfortable. The suspension on it is really freaking dope. Is it this one I turn on? Or, yeah, I think it's this one I turn. Yeah. Come on, turn, buddy. This thing hits the rev limiter so quick. It's like you waiting to hear that sound. I know on my Harley, you know, the pipes are of course aftermarket and stuff, but you're waiting for that sound, and I'm not getting that sound because there's no pipes on here. But this thing is freaking amazing. Amazing. 2025 CVO, and the blue streak is insane. Look at the color matched interfering on this bad boy. I'm not gonna hold you. Such a beast of a bike. Gonna turn here. I know y'all seeing me. I know you're seeing me out. Come on, bro. I suppose he didn't see me. Whoop. Demo bikes entrance only. Okay, is this the way? Okay, this is the way. This gotta be the way. This gotta be the way. I'm gonna figure it out. I got like all day to figure this sucker out, man. So we are definitely gonna figure it out. I was thinking I'm supposed to come in through over here, maybe. Okay, so demo exit only. Okay, so maybe it's down there somewhere. I don't know. I'm gonna probably have to it's gotta be over here somewhere. Once I find it, it's gonna be a wrap. Hey, Harley 10 right there has got to be right here. Welcome to lovely Daytona Beach. Had this thing riding in style, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it in the comments below, man. 2025 CVO and the blue streak. This thing is freaking insane. Now, I'm not sure how comparable it is to the CVO ST just yet, but this CVO right here feels just nice. I'm gonna ride a regular 117 Road Glide and do the comparison on all three, but so far so good, man. We will see what's going on. Oh, can I get him? Oh, almost got him. I almost got that bird if I really tried. If I really tried, I would have got that little bird. Man, it was awesome, dude. Yeah, thanks, man. Appreciate you. Alrighty, you gotta pull back in here. Like, that's why you guys should always come and visit the bike weeks when y'all come in, man. You guys get to ride each and every freaking bike over here. I'm gonna ride a trike today as well. I can't wait to ride that, but the video on that thing is like 15 minutes long. So I'm gonna get some other things in order. But y'all see it here first, man. 2025 CVO Road Glide with the Big Daddy on that joint, man. It is a movie.